Okay, so we are back with our series of Google's most asked questions. And today, on your demand, we are covering Mommy Makeover. So the first question is, how painful is Mommy Makeover? Now, if we consider it according to the numerical pain scale, where we give number 1 to minimum pain and number 10 to maximum pain, I would say it is somewhere between 4 to 6. That means moderate. And if I tell you honestly, it is really a soreness rather than pain. The second question, how long does Mommy Makeover last? Well, it is a permanent procedure because we are removing the skin in the tummy tuck, and even in breast reduction or breast lift, we are actually doing some removal of tissue and rearranging the tissues to give you a better shape. So it's a permanent procedure. But yes, if you are having another pregnancy, if you are gaining too much, losing too much, then yes, some changes are bound to happen for which you may need a revision. But in general, it's a permanent procedure. You don't need to get it done again. The third question is, how safe is Mommy Makeover? Well, I would say that safety is two things. First, your fitness as a patient. So if you are fit enough to make it safe enough, you can get the procedure done. The second is your surgeon. That means the expertise and experience of your surgeon really matters. And if you choose the right surgeon, then I think it's a very safe procedure. At SB Aesthetics, of course, we do mommy makeovers very routinely. And I think in our practice, I would say that it's a very safe procedure. Now that brings me to the fourth question. Can you get a mommy makeover twice? Well, we do a lot of secondary corrections as well. And there are patients who are either unhappy with their first surgery, or they have again had pregnancy and they've reversed some changes and want a retightening of the abdomen or the breasts. Then definitely you can have it done twice. So the fifth and the final question is, how long is the recovery time in bed from a mommy makeover? Now let me make this very clear. You don't really need a bed rest in a mommy makeover surgery. The reason is that we want you back up on your feet walking around so that you can heal early. Now, having said that, yes, you should have days of rest. That means mostly resting, but not really bed rest. So take it from me, like 4 days of resting phase. Then you start your ambulation more actively. A week of recovery time of less activity, more of resting is good enough. After that, you have to get back on your feet to recover early. So here were the 5 most asked questions to Google about mommy makeover, and I've unraveled the secret for you. But if you have more questions, do not hesitate to write them in the comment box below. And I'm sure a lot of you are hesitant about plastic surgery. Write your questions to us. We are here to help you and answer your questions. If you like the information in the video, then do share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel SB Aesthetics. Keep the notification bell on so that you can get notifications for the new interesting videos.